Hey everyone. Life can sometimes feel like a constant battle between ambitions, egos, and even those closest to us. We all want to succeed, to prove ourselves, to be recognized. But sometimes in chasing those things, we forget the most important lesson. Strength comes from unity. Today, I want to share with you a story about family, togetherness, and the unshakable power of standing together. It's a story that reminds us, individually, we are fragile, but united, we can withstand anything. In a quiet village lived a master woodworker named William. He was famous for his skill and for his 3 sons: John, the quiet and meticulous eldest; Peter, the energetic and inventive middle child; and Michael, the clever youngest. Each son had inherited some of their father's talent, but their home was far from peaceful. They constantly argued. John insisted that precision was everything. Peter claimed speed and creativity mattered most. Michael wanted perfection in every tiny detail. Every discussion turned into a battle. Their once welcoming home had become tense, filled with rivalry and silent resentment. William watched them with a heavy heart. He loved his sons and was proud of their talent, but the constant conflict pained him. He feared that when he was gone, life's challenges would break them apart completely. One late afternoon, as the boys argued over a new design, William decided to act. He needed to teach them something that words alone could not convey. He quietly walked to his workshop and returned with a bundle of old pencils, tightly tied together with a leather string. He placed the bundle on the table and called his sons over. "I have a challenge for you," he said calmly. "Try to break this bundle of pencils. Whoever succeeds gets to keep all of them." Full of confidence, each son took their turn. John twisted and strained with all his strength, but the bundle didn't budge. Peter tried next, pressing with his knee, but failed. Michael gave it his best, yet the pencils held firm. "You couldn't do it, could you?" William asked. The sons shook their heads silently. "Now," he continued, "try to break them one by one." He untied the string and handed each son a single pencil. With ease, they snapped each pencil in half. William looked at them gently. "Do you see? A bundle of pencils bound together is strong and unbreakable, but separated, each pencil is fragile and weak. Your lives are the same. When you put aside your differences and stand together, you become a powerful force, able to face any challenge." The boys felt the weight of their father's words. John looked at the broken pencil in his hand and saw himself, fragile and easily broken when alone. Peter and Michael exchanged glances, and a wave of shame and regret washed over them. Without a word, they moved closer to each other and embraced. From that day forward, their home changed. The constant arguments disappeared. The 3 brothers joined forces and opened a woodworking shop called the 3 Brothers. Their combined talent and unity made the shop famous for its exquisite, high-quality creations. Their story became a symbol. True strength is born from love, collaboration, and family unity. The story of the bundle of pencils reminds us of a timeless truth. Strength is not measured by individual talent alone, but by our ability to support and stand with each other. Family, unity, and togetherness are what make us unbreakable. Think about your own life. Are you standing together with those you love? Or are you trying to face the world alone? Remember, alone we may break, but together we can achieve anything. Share this story with someone you care about, and let's celebrate the power of unity, love, and family.